Hi everyone. Now let's talk about important characters in Python programming language. So when we are working in project, in each and every project we are getting these important characters regularly. So this is a routine work that we can do every day. So now what are the important characters are available? Let's see here. Now we have very basic one, that is new line character. New line character is there. So how it will helpful for us? Let's take an example here. Name equal to, then here welcome to Python. So the example is pretty much simple, but same thing, same logic will apply on real-time projects also, same way. Now let's see, whenever I'm using a string name equal to, then the entire string welcome to Python. Now when I execute here print off, then the string I am just displaying as it is. So okay, now what we need to do, we'll take same example, then we can print by using slash in here. So now let's see welcome to Python, then here you can use slash n for example purpose, then try to print name. See now what will happen here. So it is next line character, that means new line character whatever, then it will stop the string here up to this, and then it will go for next line. So from this the next line beginning here. So using slash n, then we can able to get new line character, or you can do another way. So name equal to welcome to Python programming language. So now what you need to do, you can use wherever you want, more than one, that is applicable. So now let's see, then here I am using, when I execute now, let's see. So print off name here. So welcome to Python programming. So that is line by line it is segregating, and then it is giving whenever we are using slash n from, that means that is the beginning from next line. So we use slash n for next line also. And we have another one, that is tab space. So now tab space is also considered is a special character in Python programming language. Now when I execute name equal to, then here same way welcome to Python. Now what we need to do here, you can just try to print as it is, then name, when I execute, then it is displaying as it is. Now what we need to do, name equal to, then you can say, then here welcome, then here you can use tab space, then to Python. Then now execute here print of name. See now the tab space is giving entire tab space. So that's how we can use tab space. If you use 2, then it will come like this. So we'll give 2 tab spaces because we have given 2 here, and you can give wherever you want in the string here, that I'm just giving tab space. So like that we can do. So this is one example how we can use tab space in Python programming language. And you can take one more example here, name equal to v, then tab space, then love and tab space, hour and tab space, country. So now let's see print of name here. See, now we love our country, so we are getting tab space whenever we are using /t here, and this how we can able to do tab space. And we have /r, then this is carriage return, or you can say return here. So this will be regular, we are not using regularly, but you need to understand. Okay, so carriage return, then here I am just taking name equal to, then same thing here, we love our country. So whenever I'm executing print of name, then here we love our country as it is. But here whenever I'm using then we and /r, then love our country. So whenever I'm using here print of name, if we use, then see from there we are skipping the value, so we are skipping the string before that, so after that it will print. So that's the beauty of here carriage return /r here. Even you try to give an example for till like this /r, then execute, so our country, so rest of the value is erased. So you can get from there the value which is presented. So that's how we can do an example for /r. And then you can see, and then what we need to do, we'll take one more example here, name equal to, then you can say wow, it's an amazing. So we have this one and we don't require all the things, so just directly you can call, then it is giving. Now when we are doing here name equal to, then wow, then you can use /r, then what you need to do, then here what you need to do, it's an amazing. So now let's see here print of name. So now let's see, we need to add the screen. See now, so from there the value is erased, and then after that whatever the value is that is presented. So this is how we can do using /r. And we have one more example, that is backspace. So backspace will be useful to remove value from ending part. Okay, so how we can use, let's see, name equal to, then we are good. Let's take an example here, we are good, and then like this. So now print of, that take an example here. So as it is I am printing, and then I am using here we are, then good. Then if you use /b here, that means it's a backspace, then try to execute. So name, so we are good. So this exclamatory mark is, so one letter it will remove at the time, so that we can use slash, or you can say backspace. And you can see very simple, name equal to, then I am just taking hey, then you can use here /b, that's it, then print of name, execute. So like that we can get a value here. And we have one more, that is star here. So what we need to understand here, so that is a string we can do multiply. So what we need to do here, let's see, name equal to, then you can say here we love Python. Now print of name here. So now what we need to do here, next example we'll be using that star for print of, then 3 into, then name here, so we can get value duplication. So if you want, you can write it here for 100 times also. So this is, we can use whatever, but when we are using here the value, if you are using 2000, then it will multiply with that, the value we can get it. But when we are using string, then that time it will duplicate the result set. Now if you use here same thing, you can represent in the form of string. Now what we need to do, so if it is a string, then it will duplicate 100 times. So that's the beauty of here in Python using star symbol. So when the value is not string, then it will be multiply, or you can say 10, so you can get the value. So this is how about we can discuss important characters in Python. So there are a lot of characters, but few characters which we can use regularly. Okay, so thank you so much and see you in the next class.